Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to change your email address in PayPal. So let's get started. At first, let's go to PayPal. For that, we can go to any browser and search for PayPal. So now click on this first website over here. So let's tap on this. Now we are in PayPal interface. Let's log in. Type your email address and password. Now click on login. So now we need to click on the setting icon over here. So let's tap on this. And here's the option to change the email address. We can simply click on change and click on continue. Write your new email address. Now click on add. And you can simply confirm with Google or get the code in your email. So let's go for email. So here's the code. So we are done. Here's our new email address. So this is how we can add or change email address in PayPal. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe.